Check this out, this is the brand new XGT 40 volt slide compound miter saw from Makita. This saw features a 216mm blade or 8.5 inches in the old scale with an official cutting capacity at 0 degrees of 70mm by 312mm, although I'm cutting 74mm, no sweat. It's got a brushless motor powered by Makita's new XGT batteries with a nice soft start, 4800 RPM max blade speed and a blade brake for your safety. At 15.5 kilos, it's not too heavy and it compacts itself down really nicely as well, so it's great for getting on and off site. And they've also made some really great changes from their existing miter saws, like the table extensions being built in, so you won't have any more of these floating around the back of your work vehicle for the rest of your life. And that rail forward design is really nice as well. It means you can get it right up against the wall of your shop or out on site. It's really smooth and stable, which all helps with precision. And there's no ferreting around the back looking for latches and levers and locks. Everything's on the front, making it really accessible and easy to use. The saw miters from 60 degrees to 60 degrees with a bunch of quick stops at all your important angles. Fully depressing the button on the front will allow it to swing freely from side to side. When you depress it, it'll automatically lock into the nearest quick stop as you arrive at it. And when you're where you want to be, you just lock it off with the knob at the front so you can quickly find your angles and your miters, no worries. And the bevel controls are right behind that locking knob, just 1 inch away. But before you unlock that, make sure you remove the fences. Loosen that locking ring, the saw will bevel up to 48 degrees, quick stopping at 45 to the left. There's an easy to read guide at the rear of the saw so you can see the angle of your dangle, and if you pull that lever just next to that guide, you'll be able to turn 48 degrees to the right, quick stopping at 45 again. It's got dual port extraction, just like on the big 305mm saw from Makita. Unlike all their other saws which only have single port extraction, it's also got AWS, so you can sync it with your AWS vac. And there's 2 buttons on the control panel next to the trigger. The first is to toggle the light on and off. With the light, you improve your visibility, but it also casts a shadow line, making finding your mark nice and quick and accurate. The second button is a manual override for the vacuum cleaner, which is really handy. Switch that on, grab your hose, and you can remove any debris that might be between your material and the fence, which will impede your accuracy. Then just return your hose, toggle it off, and you're back to auto starting with the trigger. The blade change is super easy, and the key for changing the blade is stowed on the front of the rail. In 250 by 60mm hardwood, Makita Australia got 170 cuts of a single 4Ah XGT 40 volt battery. So if you're only cutting framing, it's gonna go all day. All in all, the new XGT slide compound miter saw from Makita is mint. If you've got any questions about it, hit me up in that comment section below, or go check it out, cindytools.com.au. It's a great addition to the new XGT range. Check out the whole range while you're in store. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.